Okay guys, we're going to replace the radiator for the 2014 Freightliner Cascadia Evolution. Burst. So we're going to replace, and we already bought the parts. First step, we have to remove the lower bumper, and we're gonna open the hood. The damper, it's 13 millimeter, and it's 5/8. Now we're ready to lift this and get it out of the way. Okay, now we get this out of the way. It's a 3-person thing. We have the radiator already. First step, we're gonna remove the AC condenser. We have 1, 2, 3 volts here, but we have to get this out of the way so this will swing out here. This is what I'm saying, so we can rest this on the side. We're gonna remove the intercooler hose clamp, both sides. 5/8 socket wrench. Now we're just gonna pull out the intercooler. It's a 3-person thing, so you need to have a helping hand with your guys. This is gonna be a bit of a struggle. Take it out at an angle. Then let's take this out. Next is locate the drain plug, and we're gonna drain the radiator. 24 millimeter. Get your drain plug extension hose handy. You have to open the overflow so it will drain faster. Yep, we're still draining. Let's start removing the coolant reservoir. Remove the level sensor.
Check on. Tanda.
And we have to reinstall the fittings. These are new radiator.